me again. This video is a shout out to another channel, which I will probably put in a link and basically let you know who it is. I'll put their link. I gotta put those little tags in there. I was watching a what do you call it? YouTube live, and from this channel right here. I'm so happy I got a sticker from another channel right here. See, that is the channel. Honest Peyton's Speech Up. I don't know what's on the bottom here. Is that Clyde? It says Clyde. I gotta say thank you for the sticker, and I got a free pair of gloves. They fit pretty good. I like these gloves. It's so funny because I don't know, I was like, well, they fit the gloves and sent me. I hope they fit. I mean, I appreciate a cool pair of gloves, which is awesome. They fit pretty good. And just as I got these in the mail, I find these ones in my closet. They're actually in the closet. I was cleaning up and I found these ones. What the crazy thing about these ones is they've been sitting there for so long. The rubber. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, what's going on? My camera's going low. Camera's messed up. Let's try this again. Low power. Low power. Am I still recording? I don't know. Anyway, I think what I was saying was I was looking through cleaning up, and these I put on the shelf because I was going to make a video saying thank you. And I found these ones, and the rubber was sitting next to it, and all the rubber was like stuck together. It's pretty cool. But I actually use these style of gloves with the rubber on the ends from time to time. They're really useful. So a shout out, a thank you. You're welcome for the sticker and the gloves. I have your address. I'm going to send you something in the mail as soon as I get it, as soon as I get it, I will send it to you because I got some cool things I like to use on this channel, and I'm going to send you one. Somehow I won my first thing on YouTube. Yeah, woo, woo. So thank you very much for the gloves. They fit perfect. Good thing I don't have, what do you call it? Super giant man hands. Also, I have the sticker. I will be putting it on this box somewhere on here. I think I have 2 or 3 stickers. And I'll leave the link below. Also, anybody who wants to watch a really good channel with some decent content, go to this channel, Honest Peyton's Speech Up. I haven't watched all your videos. I mean, I probably watched about 90% of them, but when I get a chance, I do watch your videos. I click like, I leave comments, and I try to get you up in the algorithm because that's the whole goal of helping out people on YouTube. So go help a small channel out and able to get monetized, and maybe I can make some money and give some more gloves away. Thanks for watching. Toodles.